Fixing Claude's mistakes is costing you dev time. Here's a free system to turn Claude into a reliable, code-shipping engine that actually works. Asking Claude to refactor code often results in hallucinated APIs. This vibe coding is unpredictable. The fix is agentic-engineering, which gives them. This system comes from a guide on GitHub. With over 58,000 stars, it's the community-proven blueprint for building reliable agents with Claude. The repo is Claude Code Best Practice. It organizes everything into explicit directories like agents, commands, and skills. This structure is the key to it. All starts with a Claude folder in your project. Inside, you define your agent's capabilities in Markdown files, making them explicit and easy to version control. First, you define skills in the Claude/skills/ directory. A skill is a tiny atomic prompt that forces Claude to use your exact. Next, you automate multi-step tasks by creating commands. A command chains several skills together, so you run one command instead of 3 manual prompts. This lets you build autonomous workflows. The agent can reason about which skills and commands to use, preventing errors and saving you hours of babysitting. How does it work? Context injection. With every request, you pack the agent's allowed skills and commands into the context window, forcing it to stay on track. The trade-off is more setup time, but the proof is in the adoption. Over 853 developers have forked this repo because it saves them real time. So who is this for? It delivers the highest ROI for agent builders and dev teams needing consistency. The upfront work pays for itself fast by delivering. The verdict: agentic engineering beats vibe coding for serious work. Grab my free starter kit with a pre-filled Claude directory and 10 essential skills to